You know a guy has been thinking about you when he brings up a past conversation or a past incident that involved the two of you specifically. Let's say that you interacted with him a week or two prior, and then 2 weeks later, 3 weeks later, you meet up again, and he mentions, "Oh, you remember that one time when you said this?" And he relates it to a topic that you're probably talking about then. If he does that, then that means that in between the time that you last spoke and the time that you're speaking now, he had thought about you. And if he's bringing it up, it's because he's specifically trying to remind you that he remembers what you said. So that is definitely a nice way to find out if someone's thinking about you. If they do that quite often, if they recall certain things that you said or did and they believe it's wise or they praise it in some way, they're trying to show you that they appreciate your actions, your thoughts, and your opinions.